Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Monday's Daily Financial Review. Here's what's making the headlines in the markets today.
The US 6-month bill auction will be released at 15:30 GMT. The US 3-month bill auction at 15:30 GMT. China's PBOC interest rate decision at 1:15 GMT. New Zealand's exports will be released at 22:45 GMT. New Zealand's imports at 22:45 GMT. Hong Kong's Consumer Price Index at 8:30 GMT.
Those were today's major economic events. And now, moving on to world financial headlines.
Crude oil futures were little changed on mixed US economic and tariff news and worries about oil supplies following the European Union's latest sanctions against Russia for its war in Ukraine. The S&P 500 and Nasdaq Composite ended little changed to end last week, overcoming a brief dip triggered by a Financial Times report indicating US President Donald Trump was pushing for steep new tariffs on European Union products. The US dollar slipped against the euro on Friday, but held on to weekly gains as investors weighed expected Fed policy amid signs that tariffs may be starting to increase some inflation pressures, and as Trump continued to criticize Chair Jerome Powell.
Coming up, the choices from our chief analysts for today.
The dollar-yen pair made a minor upwards correction in the last session, rising 0.1%. The CCI is giving a positive signal. The Bitcoin-dollar pair saw a minor rise of 0.2% in the last session. The ultimate oscillator is giving a negative signal. The Aussie gained 0.3% against the dollar in the last session. The RSI is giving a positive signal. The oil-dollar pair made a minor downwards correction in the last session, dropping 0.2%. The ROC is giving a positive signal.
We hope that you've enjoyed Monday's financial review. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.